Kailash Chandra, passage number 8, part 1, start. There has been some reference to the improvement in our economic situation, also full stop. We find that we have made good progress in production, full stop. We were faced equally with a difficult situation so far as cloth was concerned, full stop. There was a deficit of food and there was also shortage of cloth, full stop. I do remember the scenes that we had to witness in several cities where people had to stand in queues for hours, where people had to stand in for hours to gather for 2 yards of a very ordinary cloth, but now the situation is quite changed, full stop. We have produced much cloth and we are in a position to export cloth, full stop. During the British period, we were required to import cloth, but now we are in a position to export cloth, full stop. After partition, we were faced with the question of raw material, namely, cotton, full stop. We had cotton mills, but cotton remained in Pakistan. Even that problem has been solved, full stop. We had placed before us a target for more production of cotton, and not only has that target been achieved, but it has been achieved in shorter period to the satisfaction of all people in the country, full stop. Paragraph. From this survey, sir, you will find that everybody should be convinced that we are making good progress in the realization of the objectives of the 5-year plan, full stop. Paragraph. Then there is a reference that in several essential commodities we have got increased production, full stop. This cannot be denied, full stop. In spite of this increased production, I must we have not been able to solve the question of unemployment, but efforts are being made to ease the situation so far as the question is concerned, full stop. Paragraph. The main thing to which I would like to refer is that the President was pleased to say, and say very plainly, that so far as cottage industries were concerned, full stop, we have not been able to making good progress, full stop. As a matter of fact, very little progress has been made, full stop. If in this country we have to solve the question of unemployment, we must take, and take very seriously to the development of cottage industries, full stop. That alone will solve this problem of unemployment, we want to increase production, but we want to take such means for increasing our productions would be man absorbing and not mean saving, as have been restored to by the Western countries, full stop. That alone will solve our problem to be a very great extent, full stop.